Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today we will see about yesterday's performance, that's on 5th May 2021. So we all know we are using a single indicator named MST Core 2.0. Now let us see what happened yesterday as per our indicator. So in the morning at 9:35, we have to keep 3-minute chart or 5-minute or 15-minute or 1-minute. So whichever you want you can keep, but same time frame you can keep for the every day. So now I have taken my favorite script crude oil. Now I have kept 3-minute. Now I have to enable two things. One is first buy and first sell. Now I have to wait. I have to wait for the market to reach either first buy or first sell. Now market has opened here and it has not touched the buy entry exactly, and it has touched the sell entry. Now it has touched here sell entry. Now once sell is activated, what we have to do? We have to cancel the buy order. Then enable the first buy SL. You can either enable first buy SL or you can enable second buy entry. So if you are enabling second buy entry, which will show you the reverse entry, and it will show you the SL, target, everything. If you are enabling only first buy SL, first sell SL, it will show you only the SL value. So these two options we have given. So those who understand this concept, they can use the first four option. Those who don't know how to use it, then they can enable first sell and first sell SL. It is up to you. So now as per the strategy, which one has been activated? First sell has been activated. So as per the strategy, if sell activated, we should not go for buy. If buy activated, we should not go for the sell. This is the normal condition. If you are a risky trader and if you feel that market will reverse after giving target in the first sell, then you can go for the first buy also, but it is up to you. We are not recommending. So now after the entry 4926, right, target has given here, immediately target we have got 4886 is the target, and again 4885 was the buy entry, and that also we have got the target. Now again buy, again sell 4926, first target done, second target done, and third target also done. See what is the low? 4807 is our target and 4804 was the low. So I will not consider 3 trade. I will consider only 1 trade, sell activated and all 3 targets done. So we have got 119 points from 4926 to 4807, which is equivalent to 11,900 rupees per lot. Okay. So this is about the crude oil today. Now let us see what happened with the natural gas and the bank nifty. So from yesterday we started restricting to only 3 trade. Okay, so I am showing only 3. So yesterday what happened in natural gas? Same again, we have to go here and we have to enable first buy and first sell. Okay, so now take the pen here. See, market has opened here and it has come down, but this is our buy entry. Buy has not activated, and this is our sell entry. So sell exactly activated. Since sell activated, we have to remove the buy order. So I'm removing, adding the sell SL. So now you can see what happened to the market. So market sell activated here, first target done, second target done, third target also done. From the third target, it has reversed, right? But exactly our 3 targets done in the sell point also. So 3.3 targets mean how many points we have got? From 2 to 212, from 2 to 1.2 minus 215.9, which is equivalent to 5.3, that is 6,625 rupees. How much? In natural gas we have got 6,000 625 rupees profit. In crude oil, we have got 11,900 rupees profit in crude oil. Now let us see the third script, that is Bank Nifty. So I want to shorten the video, so I will complete in 10 minutes. Every day we'll spend only 10 minutes instead of 30 minutes. Okay. All you know, all the concepts you know, so I can brush it up. Now Bank Nifty I will take. So what happened to Bank Nifty? I will show you immediately now. So as usual, what you have to do after 9:35 for Bank Nifty also, we have to enable first sell and first buy, and whichever is first activated, we have to trade in that way. So now here it has opened and it has given small up, then it has come down. Now buy has been activated. Now we have to remove the sell entry, remove the sell, enable the first buy SL. Now you see what happened. Buy activated, immediately first target done, then there was a range bound, then second target done, then there was a retestment to the second target, then again it has boosted up. So we will consider only three targets. We are waiting for the third target, so whatever was the closing price, that is 32,851, that you can consider. Otherwise we will consider only two targets. So two targets mean how many points yesterday we have got? From 32,275 minus 32,800. I am taking only the target price. Okay, that is 525 points you have got, which is equivalent to 13,125 rupees. 13,125 rupees. So totally, how much we are getting? 13,125 plus 13,125 plus 11,900 plus 6,625. That is 31,625 rupees profit we have got in 3 script. This is the total profit. So hope it is clear. So this is the performance of yesterday. If you don't know, please watch it. Watch the videos. So if you want to learn in Tamil, then Tamil videos are available. For any further doubts, please ask us in Telegram or in WhatsApp on WhatsApp number 9500009154. And thank you all for watching. Once again, please subscribe to our channel, like, subscribe, and share to as many as possible. Okay. Thank you all. Happy profitable day ahead.